Hey guys, it's Dara, and today we're doing Boxycharm. So I just got this, like I literally just went to my mail and got it. And let's see, there's no weight on here, which is totally fine by me. Some people are like, it weighs, but I'm like, okay. First thing first, a Dusty high definition liquid lipstick is the first thing I grabbed out. Let's see. Okay, this is a cute color. It's like a brownish. I heard the wand is kind of very flexible. So like you can, boom. Sorry, I don't think it was in focus, but it's a nice color. It's very brown. My best friend got like a pinker shade, so maybe we'll switch. We'll see if she likes it or if it's too light on her or whatever. I got the Tarteist Pro Glow highlight. I was kind of hoping for the MAC lipstick, but that's fine with me. And this is very golden, and I'm very pale. This actually might be good for like those no makeup days, but I think my light is like right there. Pretty. I never would like have picked this up on my own because I'm not more of like a liquid highlight, but this is actually very nice. I'll have to test it and see how it is. I have the brow gel instant. It's a tinted brow gel with microfibers. Actually, my brows are in need of some TLC microfibers. Let's see, it is in the shade Brown Hair 02. That actually might be kind of a match. We'll have to actually see how it is. Like, now that I'm on camera, I think the pencil I used for my brow hair, my eyebrows was a little bit too light, but it's whatever. I don't fucking care. The Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. This is like $47. Let me give you prices. Okay, this right here, this. Come on. I'm like, it hates me right now. But this, it is, give me something, 1 fluid ounce, 30 grams. It is $47. But you know that there's probably like shit ton of air in here. But okay. But I do like their pore one. It kind of reminds me of the smell of tape. That's weird. But it's like one of those things as a kid where you did something stupidly like weird, but it stays with you. That's what the pore minimizing whatever. This one, I'm all about smelling shit, so you don't want to just shitty smelling shit on your face. Ah. Okay. Go back in. I need to use all $47 worth of this when I'm ready to use it. So let me read what this one is about. This is Extraction Specialist, unclogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oils from the skin surface. I'm going to need this summer. So you just apply a thin layer to areas of concern, avoid eyes, leave 5 to 10 minutes. A cooling sensation will occur. There you go, Dr. Brandt. Wash away with warm water. There you go. The Tarte Pro Glow highlight is $29. Shit, I have better highlights that are cheaper than this shit. It's a gel cream, hybrid gel cream oil free formula. Okay, just blow away your mind, basically. This is $24. Intense Shine. So if it has an intense shine, is it a high definition liquid lipstick? Is it Hessie? A Desi? Whatever your name is. If this is a liquid lipstick but has high shine, is it really a liquid lipstick? I've had to ask that question with Essence before. I know it's more like a lip gloss because this shit is still glossy. This ain't a liquid lipstick. This is a pigmented lip gloss. And this, let's go to this. This is $22. Holy fucking shit, $22 for how much? Wait, hold on real quick, sorry. How much is in this one? This one is, it doesn't tell you how much is in here. 15 grams, 0.56 ounces for the Pro Glow. For a Desi, a Hesse, 0.3, 0.23 ounces. That's a big ass fucking lip gloss. This one has 0.113 ounces, 3.2 grams. And it is $22. Natural. I want a quick but natural fill to their brows. Okay. Whatever. And the finale, the thing that people have been waiting for, the palette from, sorry, I'm adjusting myself, the ColourPop palette. This is a semi-precious palette. It is $26 retail. I was actually kind of hoping I got this one. Oh my god, this color right here, right here. Oh, Jesus, take the wheel. This is why I came back to Boxycharm, is because of this. But, like, this is, like, the only color that I'm kind of, like, was like, okay. I want to be mad if I got this one. Oh, wait, shit. So, this is the color Beam Me Up. It could beam me up. That is, like, red. That is red. And then there's this kind of coolish blue, like ice blue, called Easy Go. That is, oh geez. It's kind of like a silvery sheen. And then there's this green one called Upon a Star. I'm all about the green shadow, but not like green. So it's not too green. Let me do one more. Let's do this one. This shade right here is called Up an Atom. Like an atom. Like a cell. I'm like, can you see it? So these are really nice. Like I'm way into shimmer shades, so I'm kind of glad that I got like a shimmery one, because, you know, who doesn't love shimmer shades? A lot of people don't love shimmer shades. But that is it for this month. Not hating it, you know, not hating it at all. So on the back, because they usually just give you a piece of paper. It's about like maybe this big, a little bit like probably about like this big or something. But they give you a VIP offer for Dr. Brandt. And it has the little code box over here. And then 10% off of orders on Tarte.com between 4/15 and 5/15. So starting Sunday. This is nice. This is shit. So the VIP offers for Sephora.com, and search hashtag pores no more to access a special limited edition pore refine primer bundle offer just for you. Hurry while offers last. So that is it. Not hating it, you know, not loving this liquid lipstick, but you know, because I'm like, and it's sticky. It's sticky. So yep, that is it. There's no wait list if you want to do Boxycharm right now. If you don't want to spend as much, go to Allure Box. I'll be putting something up soon. Hopefully when I get the box, I'll do like a first impressions again. But yep, that's it. Have a great Friday. Good night. And I'm gonna go eat dinner now. Bye.